Do you know how to create the button that will clear non-consecutive ranges in Excel? For example, like in this example, where you have different types of tables and single cells that should be cleaned. Before you start, you need to know a few things. The first one, when you have created the Excel file, it is necessary to save it in the Excel macro-enabled workbook format. The second one, go to Review and click on Options Accessibility. Customize the ribbon, and the most important thing is that all the checkboxes should be checked. And the third thing, you have to go to Developer and choose Visual Basic. Here we are going to write our VBI code. Don't forget to create the module. Go to Insert and choose Module. So, here we are. Let's go. Sub, clear multi-ranges, open and close the bars. Then, range, open the bar quotes. You select the first cell of the first column. In this case it is E6. And we select the last cell of the same column. In this case it is F8. Then we select the single cell, H7, comma, and we select the cells of the last column, like G10 and K12. After that we have to choose clear. The next step is to add the bottom. But in this case we are going to use our shapes. Just go to Insert, select the shape, and design it in the specific spaces. Of course, you can also modify the color and the text of our shapes. But the most important thing is double click on the shape and choose our macro formula. So guys, everything is ready. Just press on the bottom and you will see that everything will be cleared. Help to develop this channel. Just put your like and subscribe.